pattern, we have our one row repeat, which means that both sides will be the same. We start with a slip knot, insert your hook through it, tighten your knot, and chain an odd number of chains. Once you're done with the chain, so each row will start with a double crochet and will end up with a single crochet. So after we do the foundation and the base row, then we're gonna have the row that we're gonna repeat. But for that first base row, we will start with a single crochet into the third chain from the hook. And I'm grabbing the two strands from the chain. And then we're gonna repeat till the end of the row a double crochet and a single crochet into the next chain. And then we have again a double crochet into the next chain and a single crochet into the next chain. And we will be repeating that till the end of the row, a double crochet and a single crochet. And you're gonna have to end with a single crochet. That's a key. Every row will end up with a single crochet. So if you don't end up with a single crochet, you either go back and stop at the single crochet, or you just add one more. Or you can always make a longer chain that you need and you just stop at the size you need. And all the sizes will be in the description box below, and the yarn I use and all the information will be there as well. A double crochet is formed when we yarn over, go through the base chain, draw a loop, yarn over and pull through the next two loops, and yarn over and pull through the next two loops. A single crochet is when we without the yarn over, we just go through the chain, draw a loop, and you go through those two loops at the same time. And now we are ready for our second row or for the repeat row. Every row will start, so flip your work, turn it around, chain 2, which is actually counts as a double crochet here. So chain 2, and then into the next stitch, which was a double crochet from the previous row, we do a single crochet. And then into the next stitch, which actually was the single crochet from the previous row, we do a double crochet. And we keep repeating that till the end. We do a single crochet now on top of the double from the previous row. And then we have a double crochet into the single crochet from the previous row. And at the end, we will end again with a single crochet. So when you reach the end over here, this was your chain that we did. And we're gonna go into that chain space. This way it gives us a little more stretch instead of going into the stitch. And we do a single crochet here. And then we turn our work and we start again with chain 2, and then a single crochet, and then a double crochet. And then we go all the way till the end, till we reach that first chain 2 we did, and into that we'll do a single crochet again. So here I am at that single crochet here, the one before the last. I'll do a double crochet on top of it. And now that I reached that chain that we started with, which we do count as a double crochet, we'll do that single crochet on top of it or inside it. And that's the end of the row. So this way, instead of going into the stitch, gives me a little more stretch on the side. And when I finished my blanket, I wanted to put a row that's less stretchy from the top, because my bottom row is also less stretchier. So for that reason, I just went with slip stitches into each stitch. And the way I did it was go into that stitch here, turn your work and go into the stitch, draw a loop, and you just pull through loop through all the loops on your hook. And go into the next stitch and you do a slip stitch. Pull your loop through that loop and through the loop on your hook. And one more time, draw a loop and keep pulling it till you're done. And I went like this till the end of the row of my blanket. So that's all for this lemon peel stitch or griddle stitch or seed stitch. They're the same There are different names for the same stitch. It has a little bumpy effect, and it's a very nice baby blanket alternative since there are no holes for those little tiny fingers to get stuck in your stitches. If you liked that video and it gave you inspiration or an idea for your next project, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and watch the next video of the next fun blanket coming up. Cheers!